Hi and welcome to another health and wellness video. I will share with you another health and fitness juice recipe that offers proven results. This one is called green zucchini juice, and this is a great health drink for your body. Green juices are refreshing and tasty, as well as a great source of fluid hydration. Now in this juice, as you can see in the text, I'm using zucchini instead of cucumber, which is a great swap but offers a lot of great health results for your body. This healthy juice will allow you to experience more energy, more vitality, more stamina, and much more benefits than I would be able to explain in this video. Follow along as I show you the ingredients and how to make this healthy health juice, which is great for your body. Now for this juice you will need 1 apple. Carefully wash and slice your apple to fit inside a juicer or a blender. You're also going to be needing 2 zucchini. Now carefully wash and slice your zucchinis so that they will also fit inside your juicer or your blender. You'll also need 4 kale Tuscan cabbage leaves. Carefully wash and slice your cabbage leaves so that they'll be able to fit inside your juicer or within your blender. You will also need a piece of ginger, like 1-inch piece of ginger. Carefully wash and slice your ginger. You can leave the skins on also on the ginger. You'll also need half of a lemon. Carefully wash and squeeze your lemon if you're going to use a blender. If not, you can just take the peels off if you're going to put it through the juicer. Now you're going to put all of these ingredients inside of your blender or your juicer: your apple, your zucchini, your kale cabbage leaf, your lemon, and also your ginger. If you're using a blender, make sure it's strong enough to blend it out to a liquid pulp. After you've done so, you will enjoy this refreshing drink. You can drink this juice once in the morning and once in the evening. You will see great result with this juice. Please subscribe, give us a like and a comment telling us which of our health juice you like the best. You can even request a health juice recipe. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, and thank you so much for your support. See you on the next video.